Begin the assembly by organizing the parts in your space. Using the back frame as your starting point, assemble the left and right arm respectively. Each arm should be attached with 2 bolts. Make sure the legs are installed to the arms before moving on to the next step. Next, place in the mattress cushions into the back frame. And using the included black wood screws, install the black hinges into the lower frame. Each hinge should have 3 screws installed. Following the hinged cushion installation, install the mechanism assembly. The flat metal part should extend out from the back frame flat edge toward the bottom. Attach it to the back frame with 3 bolts. Be careful to align the rod into the pre-drilled locations on each arm. Ensure the springs and spacers are properly added to the horizontal rod in the order as shown. Now lower the whole sofa onto its legs. Locate the front plate part. Attach this part to the arms with 3 bolts onto each of the arms, and 2 bolts to attach the front plate to the center mechanism. Once both sides are connected to the arms, connect the center of the front plate part to the center mechanism assembly. Using the included bolt hardware, secure the center springs to the mechanism assembly as shown. Locate the seat part assemblies. Note the position of the metal clips. The right seat should be offset to the right, and the left offset to the left. This is critical for the mechanism to function properly. Once identified, install both seats by securing the metal clips to the mechanism rod. First, tightening the pre-installed screw. then fastening with included screw, one for each clip. Close the seats to form the sitting surface, replace the back cushions, and now your sleeper is ready for use and enjoyment. Thank you for watching this assembly instruction. For further questions or concerns, you may contact us directly.